this coconut oil bottle. First, we have to cut it. Now, I have cut it like this. Now, you have to take wool and you have to stick it on, and you have to do like this. You have to do it like this. And you have to keep going like this, round and round and round. And after turning all this, you have to stick again here the last part remaining. Now I have sticked all the stones here, and the last one now I'm going to stick here like this. The bangle is right. Let's see how it looks in hand. Now see how the bangles are looking. You can make out of bottle. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel if you like it.